too much to buckle under. You can almost smell the stolen thunder. Still
Good morning. Today's Thursday, April 11th. It's 9:15 in the morning. First stop is
I don't wanna give up. I used to think I needed order, but not so much anymore. Always cautious round the corners, always feeling like a phono, knocking at the locked door. Passing cars and rolling thunder.
So you may be wondering what that was all about. I got this car off Facebook Marketplace, and let's just say it came with more problems than I anticipated. One being that there's a coolant leak. So every now and then, I don't know what it's out of here. I have a coolant leak among a bunch of other things, so every now and then I have to fill up my coolant, and when I say every now and then I mean like once a week. So that's exactly what that was. Heading to Plantellum, which is one of my favorite cafes, and we're gonna do some work. See you at the cafe. Fast forward like 4 to 5 hours and I am getting ready to go surfing. So this is what I'm wearing. I have this maxi skirt that I was wearing earlier, and then I just have this little one piece that I got from the yoga studio that I work at. It is kind of overcast today, so I feel like it's gonna be a little bit chillier. And so I'm bringing this rash guard. All right, there's your little update. See ya. All right. Clearly it's been a little bit. I look completely different. It is dark outside. I went surfing today. Didn't do that great. Probably about like 45 minutes in, I wiped out pretty bad, and my leash did not stay attached to my foot, so my board was just flying forward. I thought I was gonna die at one point too. I didn't really get a lot of footage because I'm not good enough yet. So I don't want to embarrass myself on YouTube, and also, I don't know, I feel like there's more that I can focus on than getting content. Maybe I should focus on catching a wave. I seem to have a problem with that. This is the end of today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, good night. over to the start of the hike. It is getting to be so hot here in Hawaii and very humid, and I'm scared for what the summer is gonna be like because I moved here in September, so I really didn't have to experience the hottest months of the year here. And I don't know what to expect because it's already really hot and it's only end of April. I'm sweating. I was sweating even when I was just eating my eggs this morning. It's raining. I don't know what to expect with this hike. I don't know if it's covered. I don't know if it's sketchy. If it's raining, I don't know if it's dangerous to do this hike. But guess what? We'll see pretty soon. We're doing this no matter what, so. This is what it currently looks like. There's just gray clouds everywhere. This is Taylor's first time going to Mount Awili waterfall. I've prepared my whole life for this hike. Now we're gonna do lanikai pillbox. We didn't know where to park for the Mount Awili legal hike. There's a popo in the spot that we thought we could park at. Find out you can't park there, you need to Uber from somewhere else. So now we're just gonna do a hike that we know and love. But now we're in leggings and it's so hot here.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Good times.
It's so funny because this is the complete opposite compared to like the one we were gonna do. This one's literally like 10 minutes to get to the top. The other one was 4 hours. And this one has no waterfall, the other one did. The other one was shaded, this one is not. She said, let me take this in for a sec. Red her forehead is. Stop sign. We made it past and I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here, around, down, up, down, over here, and then down to the street. To the top, this is the view. That was an adventure.
And we gotta walk a mile back to the car.
We just went to Lanikai smoothie place.
I got the almond loco. It's got almond butter, bananas, cocoa powder.
Damn, you remember?
And no whey protein because that shit tastes like chalk. Don't know what the
I got the
fuck else
passion something. Literally every fruit you can think of is in this thing.
Mango, passion fruit, banana, honey, pineapple juice.
Pineapple. Off to the beach. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be so good. This is going literally right in the freezer. Then I got a swimsuit from
swim. Looks like this. But of course, you gotta try it on. Let's go see what Taylor thinks. Well, first things first. Real? Can I palm it? Can I fist it?
Yeah, you can fist it. Go and play some basketball. We're playing basketball. We're playing oh, nothing but net, period. Nah. Know how to use a goddamn camera. Okay, Bert. We team Bert, brother. Team Bert. Know about it. Them periwinkle shorts. Look for them. Number 22.
I just balled up with some fellow neighbors. I just had so much fun. Oh, my battery's gonna die, so let me end this really quick. That is the end of today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm just still suffering from that hike, dude.
Where the fuck are my bathing suit bottoms?
You're just gonna have to go in your leggings.
Got them. Those are literally a hazard.
It's a smoothie, dude. Got me bussin'. Her underwear are a biohazard, bro.